Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about double integrals. So now I will show you how to answer. We have these double integrals in here and we have the bounds of this one. So I will show you how to answer. First, we need to write about x squared plus y squared equals to number 1 and x squared plus y squared equals to number 4. So we see that they are the circle. And we know the center of this one should be about 0, 0 in here. Because we have the formula So in this situation, like this, that means A equals to number 0, B equals to number 0, and the center that should be about AB. This is the reason why we have the center 0, 0, and the radius of two circles. This one should be about number 1. And the second one, that should be about number 2 because we have r square in here. Number 4, that is about 2 to the power of 2. Number 1, that is about 1 square. Now we need to draw two circles in here. So this one I will put number 1. This one should be about number 2. This one 1, number 2. This one negative number 1, negative number 2. This one negative number 1, negative number 2. The next one, y is greater than or equals to number 0. So this one that is about y. And we know that y is greater than or equal to number 0. That should be about this one in here. So the area of the region, that should be about this one. Next, we can use about polar coordinates. So I will put about x equals to r cosine theta, y equals to r sine theta, dy dx. We need to change by r dr d theta. Next, we have x squared plus y squared between number 1 and number 4. Now we need to change x and y into r cosine theta and r sine theta. So we have r square and r square. We can do about factorization. So this one we know that is equal to number 1. Now we put the square root for the both sides. And now we have the bounds of R. Now let's go back to this one. So x squared plus y squared, that is in here. And we need to transform into R squared. Dx dy we change by R dr d theta. The bounds of dr, we have this one. D theta. So we start from here and we stop in here. So that should be about from 0 to b. This is about trigonometric circle. Now, so we put number 0 and b in here. Now let's calculate about this one. So in this situation, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to r squared. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have the u equals to 2r dr. Later that we divide both sides by number 2. Next, we need to change the bounds. So, when r equals to number 1, so we put number 1 go in here to find the value of u. So u equals to number 1. When r equals to number 2, so we have number 2 go in here, and we put number 2 go in here, and we have u equals to number 4. R squared we change by u. R dr we change by the u over number 2. The integration of e to the power of u, we have e to the power of u. And we put the bounds from number 1 to number 4. Now we put number 4 go in here, number 1 go in here. And now we have the final answer. From 0 to b. Now I will put b go in here, number 0 go in here. Now we need to simplify. This is the end. Thank you for watching.